Come test drive the 2019 Traverse. Chevy Traverse is more stylish than minivans and far more fuel and space efficient than truck-based SUVs. Crossovers like the Traverse are excellent family vehicles and is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, remote start, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, universal garage door opener, heated front driver and passenger seats, electronic stability control. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.